The freelance landscape is evolving, and having a killer Upwork profile is more crucial than ever. Today, we got a game-changing episode for you, and as we dive into the nitty-gritty of optimizing your Upwork profile for 2024, whether you are a seasoned freelancer or just starting, this video is packed with tips to make your Upwork journey a success. So grab your notepads and let's get started. Let's jump right in and explore the steps to optimize your Upwork profile for 2024. Step 1. Update your profile picture. First impression matters. Swap out that outdated photo for a professional, welcoming image. Clients want to connect with real people, so let your personality shine through. Step 2. Craft a compelling headline. Your headline is the first thing the clients see. Make it irresistible. Highlight your skills and what sets you apart. Stand out in a sea of freelancers by showcasing your unique value. Step 3. Revamp your skills section. Time to brush up on your skills. Remove outdated ones and add new ones, and reorder them based on your strength. This is not only enhances your visibility, but also increases your chances of landing on that dream project. Step 4. Update your portfolio. Your portfolio is your visual resume. Update it regularly with your best work. Clients love seeing what you can do, so let your portfolio speak volumes about your expertise. Step 5. Prioritize client satisfaction. Happy clients mean a higher success score. Deliver exceptional work, communicate effectively, and go the extra mile. Your success score is a key factor in attracting premium clients. Step 6. Request testimonials. Don't be shy. Ask satisfied clients for testimonials. Positive reviews build credibility and trust. Let your happy clients become your best promoters. There you have it, folks. The ultimate guide to optimizing your Upwork profile for 2024. Remember, success on Upwork is a journey, not a destination. Keep refining your profile and stay updated with your industry trends and watch your freelance career soar. If you have found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and ring that notification bell for more tips and tricks. Until next time, be freelantastic. Thank you for tuning in, and I will catch you in the next video. Stay awesome.